This place will WOW, well kept, updated, triple wide with 1.66 acres, granite, textured walls, flat ceiling with ductwork in the ceiling, beautiful crown molding throughout, open floor plan, remote master with huge walk-in closet, double sink and master bath, 2-car carport, 24 by 25 workshop on a slab, beautiful land, well-built home that has too many bells and whistles to name. This a must-see. Enjoy the peace and quiet of country living with everything you ever wanted in a house.